Hi students, greeting of the day and welcome to this video lecture. Into this channel, we are dealing with the important questions of the topics chapter wise so that it becomes easier for you when you write the answers. So be prepared with your pen and paper, practice these questions properly, write them properly as per time. The sequence is, it will be fruitful if you first go through the question answer and try to write the answer into the stipulated time which is given to you. For an example, 1 mark question is to be written in 2 minutes and around 30 words should be written for that answer. So let's start with the process and have a proper practice of it.
Alcohol, phenols and ethers is the 11th chapter of CBSE syllabus, and over here, as per the marking scheme provided to our students, there will be 2 questions of 2 marks. So let's deal with only 2 questions from this chapter. This is something a scrutiny which is to be done so that it's easier to only practice the questions which are probably to be asked in the examination. The first question says of 2 marks. Draw the structure and name the product formed if the following alcohols are oxidized. Assume that an excess of oxidizing agent is used. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Second, 2-butanol. Third, 2-methyl-1-propanol. So the first part, the answer is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, that is butanol. When combined with potassium permanganate in presence of dilute H2SO4, it forms butanoic acid CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Second part is CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2OH, 2-butanol. When subjected to KMNO4 in presence of KOH and heated, gives ethanoic acid CH3COH and oxalic acid COH whole twice. Third is CH3CH, CH3CH2OH, 2-methyl-1-propanol in presence of KMNO4 and treated with KMNO4 and in presence of H2SO4 gives CH3CH, CH3COH, 2-methyl-propanoic acid. Coming to second question, state the products of the following reaction: CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH3 plus HBr. What will be the product? This we have to predict over here, student, or write. The second part is C6H5O, C2H5 plus HBr. What will be the product form? That we have to state. And third one is CH3 whole thrice CO C2H5 when subjected to HI. So the first answer is CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH3 when combined with HBr forms CH3, CH2, CH2OH, that is propanol and CH3Br. While the second one is C6H5O, C2H5 when combines with HBr gives phenol C6H5OH plus C2H5Br is eliminated. The third reaction is CH3 whole thrice CO C2H5 subjected to HI gives CH3 whole thrice Ci plus C2H5OH. Question number 3, account for the following. Propanol has highest boiling point than butane. Orthonitrophenol is more acidic than orthomethoxyphenol. Third, preparation of esters by acid dehydration of secondary or tertiary alcohol is not a suitable method. So the first part, it is because alcohols can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules whereas hydrocarbons do not. Second part is it's because NO2 group is electron withdrawing and OCH3 group is withdrawn releasing. Therefore, orthonitrophenol ion is more stable than orthomethoxyphenoxide ion. Similarly, third one, it is because secondary and tertiary alcohols of dehydration leads to the formation of alkenes and not ethers due to stability of 2 degree and 3 degree, that is secondary and tertiary carbocations. Question number 4, account for the following. The boiling point of ethanol is higher than that of methanol. First part. Second, phenol is stronger acid than an alcohol. And third, the boiling point of ethers are lower than isomeric alcohols. So the answer to first part is due to the higher molecular weight, more surface area, more van der Waals forces of attraction in C2H5OH than CH3OH. Second, phenol is stronger oxidizing agent, or rather we can say phenol is strong acid than alcohol because phenoxide ion is more stable than ethoxide ion. Third part is because ethers are not associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas ethanol is associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Question number 5 says account for the following. The boiling point of alcohol decreases with increase in branching of the alkyl chain. Second, phenol does not give protonation reaction readily. Third, phenyl methyl ether reacts with HI to give phenol and methyl iodide and not iodobenzene and methyl alcohol. So the answer to the first part is because branch chain alcohols have minimum surface area, therefore minimum force of attraction, hence low boiling point. Second part is due to positive charge of 3 out of 5 resonating structures of phenol. It cannot be protonated easily. Third, it's because phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, whereas methoxide ion is not. Question number 6. How would you convert the following? Phenol to benzoquinone, and second 2-propanone to 2-methyl propane 2-ol, and third propene to propane 2-ol. Now, phenol C6H5OH when made to react with Na2Cr2O7 in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives para-benzoquinone, that is C6H4O2 plus H2O. The second CH3COCH3 propanone, also known as acetone, when combines with CH3MgBr methyl magnesium bromide gives CH3CCH3OMgBr CH3 or CCH3 whole thrice OMgBr, that is tertiary butoxy magnesium bromide. When this tertiary butoxy magnesium bromide is made to react with water in presence of acid, forms CH3 whole thrice COH, that is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Third part, propene CH3CH double bond CH2 when made to react with water in presence of sulfuric acid gives CH3CH3OH, that is propane 2-ol. Question number 7 says explain the following observation. The boiling point of ethanol is higher than that of methoxymethane. Second, phenol is more acidic than ethanol. Third, ortho and para nitrophenols are more acidic than phenol. So the first part, it's because ethanol is associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding, therefore ethanol has higher boiling point than that of methoxymethane, which is not associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Second, phenol is more acidic than ethanol because phenoxide ion is more stable due to the resonance as compared to ethoxide ion, which is unstable due to positive inductive effect of ethyl group. Third part, it is because NO2 group is electron withdrawing, that is minus R effect is shown by it. It increases stability of ortho and para nitrophenoxide ion as compared to phenoxide ion. Now in 8th question we have to write the IUPAC names of the following: OHCH2 CHOH CH2OH, second is C6H4 CH3OH, and third is C6H4 CH3OH, but at 4th position. So the answer is, the first one is propane 1,2,3 triol, the second one is 2-methyl phenol, and third one is 4-methyl phenol. Again we have to give the IUPAC names in the following compounds: C6H3 whole twice OH, C6H3 whole twice OH, OH is at second position, and CH3O CH2CH3. So the first name is 2,5-dimethyl phenol, second is 2,6-dimethyl phenol, third is 1-methoxy 2-methyl propane. Write structures of the compounds whose IUPAC names are given to us. So the first is 2-methyl butane 2-ol, second is 1-phenyl propane 2-ol, third is 3,5-dimethyl hexane 1,3,5-triol. Now over here, as the first one says butane, so first we have to draw 4 carbon, students. So we have drawn 4 carbon in main chain. The second carbon should have OH and second should have CH3, so that we have substituted. Second is propane, so 3 carbon in the main chain attached to benzene, and the second carbon is having OH, forms 1-phenyl propane 2-ol. Now the third compound, hexane, so 6 carbons to be drawn in straight line. First carbon having OH, then third having OH and fifth having OH. Similarly, third and fifth having 2 methyls. Write structures of the compounds whose IUPAC names are as follows: 2,3-dimethyl phenol, 1-ethoxypropane and 2-ethoxy-3-methyl pentane. Now over here, as the first name says 2,3-diethyl phenol, phenol is to be taken, that is C6H5OH, and the second and third position should have C2H5. The second is C2H5O, CH2, CH2, CH3, and the third one is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. So there 5 carbons are to be there, and the second carbon, as the name suggests, 2-ethoxy-3-methyl pentane. So the second carbon is having OC2H5 and the third carbon is having CH3. So students, these were the questions of 2 marks. So just practice them properly, and yet I'd like to tell you once again that these are the questions which our team has segregated, and working with CBSE from last 29 years, I have that experience, and being the paper setter of one of the papers of chemistry in AIPMT as well as in CBSE, I have that concept, and henceforth these questions, they are taken out for your practice. Just practice them properly and have a good result. Thanks, best of luck, and bye.